Question number 1, subdivision number 3. Integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus mx x power 6 into dx is given. Look at here. This is in the form of x power n e power minus ax dx. This is in the form of x power n e power minus ax dx. For gamma integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx, we have formula n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. This is gamma integral. Either one of the limit or both the limit are infinity. It is known as improper definite integral. In this improper definite integral, 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx is known as gamma integral. Its result equal to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. Now look at the problem, subdivision number 3 here. Given e power minus mx x power 6 dx between the limit 0 to infinity. So this is improper definite integral. It follows in the pattern of 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx. So we can write its answer as n factorial by a power n plus 1. So from this, observe the value of n and a. Comparing these two results, we have, which implies a equal to m. Minus omitted, x and x omitted, instead a we have m. And the power x to the power x, the power of x is n. Here the power of x is 6 and n equal to 6. Therefore, by gamma integral, integral 0 to infinity x to the power n e power minus ax dx is equal to factorial n, 6 factorial divided by a power n plus 1. A is m. M power n plus 1 means 6 plus 1. That is equal to 6 factorial divided by m power 7. 6 factorial divided by m power 7. We can stop till this step. That's enough. Simple thing. Just comparing with the gamma integral result and then observing the value of n and a, substituting in the result, will get the answer. Subdivision number 4, question number 1. Given integral 0 to infinity e power minus 4x and x power 4 dx. Here also we have limit 0 to infinity and in the form of x power n e power minus ax into dx. Comparing with the gamma integral, this is in the form of gamma integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx. So we can compare these two results, which implies a is equal to coefficient of x without the sign, so 4, and n equal to the power of x is 4. Here a is 4 and x is 4, n is 4, a is 4, n is 4. Now substituting in the result of x power n e power minus ax dx, we know that integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax x power n into dx is equal to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. Therefore, integral 0 to infinity e power minus 4x x power 4 into dx is equal to n factorial 4 factorial divided by a power n plus 1. 4 power n plus 1 means 4 plus 1, which is equal to 4 factorial 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 4 power 5, that is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Can cancel these two 4s and then 1 time 2 times 4. The remaining are 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 64 into 128. So it is equal to 3 by 128. If it is a number, a greater number in factorial, you need not to simplify it. A smaller number, we should simplify and show the answers. So the answer of 0 to infinity e power minus 4x into x power 4 dx is equal to 3 by 128. Similarly, we have a fifth subdivision. Subdivision number 5. E to the power 0 to infinity e to the power x by 5 minus x by 5 e to the power minus x by 5 into x power 5 dx into x to the power 5 into dx, e to the power minus x by 5 into x to the power 5 into dx, the same limit 0 to infinity. This is in the form of gamma integral 0 to infinity x power and e power minus ax dx. So that is equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. So simple thing, just equating the two integrals and finding the values of a and n, then substituting in the result, you will get the answer. So comparing these two, which implies a equal to coefficient of x in the power of e, coefficient of x in the power x by 5 minus x by 5, that is equal to minus 1 by 5 into x, which is equal to minus ax. Now a equal to 1 by 5. So a equal to 1 by 5. And n equal to, the power of x is n equal to 5. A equal to 1 by 5 and n equal to 5. So therefore by gamma integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax x power n into dx equal to, or x power n into e power minus ax dx is equal to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. And therefore the given problem integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x by 5 x power 5 dx is equal to n factorial, n is 5 factorial divided by a power n plus 1, a is 1 by 5, power n plus 1 means 5 plus 1 6, which will be equal to which is equal to 5 factorial divided by 1 divided by 5 power 6, 1 power 6 by 5 power 6, 1 by 5 power 6. When we reciprocate, it will be equal to 5 factorial into 5 to the power 6, 5 factorial into 5 to the power 6. Now subdivision number of 5, question number 1, exercise 2.10. 0 to infinity e to the power minus x by 2, e to the power minus x by 2 into x power 5 dx into x to the power 5 into dx, x to the power 5 into dx, e to the power minus x by 2 into x power 5 into dx. Now we have limit 0 to infinity, here also 0 to infinity, x to the power n, here x power n, e power minus ax, e power minus ax. Here minus x by 2 rewritten as minus 1 by 2 into x. So that is equal to minus ax. So comparing these two values, we have a equal to 1 by 2. So a equal to 1 by 2 and the power x to the power n is n value, n equal to power of x, so x n equal to 5. Comparing these two results, x to the power n equal to 5. So therefore by gamma integral we have integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax x power n dx is equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. So the given problem will be equal to, therefore integral 0 to infinity e power minus 1 by 2 into x power 5 into dx is equal to n factorial, n is 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial divided by a power 1 by 2 power n plus 1. N plus 1 means 5 plus 1. So 6. We can reciprocate. It will be simplified as equal to 5 factorial divided by 1 power 6 1 divided by 2 power 6 2 power 6. When reciprocate, we will have 5 factorial into 2 power 6. So it will be equal to 2 power 6 into 5 factorial. The answer is because answers we need not to simplify this. You can left in this step itself 2 power 6 into 5 factorial. So 0 to infinity e power minus x by 2 x power 5 dx in the form of 0 to infinity x power and e power minus ax dx. Comparing these two results, we can get a equal to 1 by 2, n equal to 5, and by gamma integral by substituting n factorial by a power n plus 1 result, we'll get 5 factorial by 1 by 2 power 6. Then this one simplified as 1 by 2 for 2 power 6. Reciprocate, you will get 5 factorial into 2 power 6. So we'll get the answer 2 power 6 into 5 factorial as the answer. Now the question number 2. Here comes question number 2 in exercise 2.10. Very simple thing. This is easy. Similar to the previous problem. Question exercise question number 1 we had a subdivision 3, 4, 5. The same type of problem is given here. Just a slight changes. That's all. Given f of x is x square e power minus 2x or x greater than or equal to 0. Evaluate 0 to infinity f of x dx, that is given. So greater than or equal to 0 means the lower limit starts with 0 and no ending point is given, so it is taken as infinity is the upper limit. So these type of cases, the upper limit is taken as infinity. Greater than or equal to 0, so no upper limit is defined here. So in that place you should decide the upper limit is as infinity. So 0 to infinity, the function is x square e power minus 2x as defined. And for other limit values, otherwise means other limit values, the function value becomes 0. So we should evaluate 0 to infinity f of x dx. Now 0 to infinity f of x dx is equal to, substituting f of x for the limit 0 to infinity x square e power minus 2x into dx. For other intervals, the function becomes 0. You need not to calculate the other intervals. Only 0 to infinity we can calculate, because within that interval only the function appears, the function exists. So the other interval, other function, we need not to worry about the other interval. Here, compare the above formula. This is in the form of 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx. Again by a gamma integral. So by gamma integral, comparing with this above results we have, which implies a equal to, comparing with 1, let it be 1, let it be equation 1 or formula 1, comparing with 1, we have x power n is power of x is n equal to 2, and e to the power minus ax, so a equal to 2. Substituting in it the respective result, therefore integral 0 to infinity x power 2 e power minus 2x dx is equal to factorial n or n factorial 2 factorial divided by a power 2 power n plus 1, 2 plus 1 3. So 2 factorial by 2 power 3. I'm writing here 2 factorial is 2 into 1, and 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. We can simplify. The remaining is 1 by 4, 1 divided by 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. So the value of 0 to infinity f of x dx, when f of x follows 0 to infinity as a function of x square e power minus 2x, equal to 1 by 4. That's all, we have completed the exercise number 2.10. Now we are moving to some of the examples in it.